Are you tired of pesky cockroaches invading your home? We have the answers if you are tired of seeing them scurry across your kitchen floor. Today, we will share 8 natural baits to eliminate these pests from your home. From boric acid to essential oils, this video will show you how to use natural ingredients to exterminate those creepy crawlies. No more sleepless nights or running for a can of bug spray. So don't wait any longer. Watch now and say goodbye to those unwanted guests. Here are the best natural baits to exterminate cockroaches. 1. Boric acid. Boric acid is a naturally occurring compound and can be an effective bait to eliminate cockroaches. It disrupts the cockroaches' digestive systems, leading to their death. It can also stick to the exoskeleton of the cockroaches, penetrating their bodies and causing dehydration. This process will eventually lead to their death. You can apply boric acid in various forms, such as powder or gel, and you can easily find it in most hardware stores. Besides, it is affordable and easy to use. Boric acid also has low toxicity to humans and pets when used well. To use boric acid as a bait for cockroaches, mix it with something sweet like sugar or honey in a ratio of 1:3. Next, sprinkle the mixture in areas where cockroaches are prevalent, such as behind appliances and cupboards, around pipes and drains, and along baseboards. Wear gloves when handling boric acid, as it can be harmful if ingested or inhaled. Additionally, keep the mixture out of reach of children and pets. 2. Diatomaceous earth. An excellent bait to eliminate cockroaches is diatomaceous earth. This substance consists of fossilized remains of diatoms, a type of microscopic algae. It will dehydrate the exoskeletons and digestive systems of insects, including cockroaches. Diatomaceous earth is safe for humans and pets, but can be harmful if inhaled. Wear a mask when applying it in areas where cockroaches are present. Mix it with sugar before sprinkling it around baseboards, under appliances, and in dark corners where cockroaches like to hide. Finally, diatomaceous earth is an effective and affordable natural bait that doesn't harm the environment or other living creatures. 3. Borax. Borax is a mineral used for centuries as a cleaning agent and insecticide. It can eliminate cockroaches as a desiccant, drying out their exoskeletons and killing them. Combine borax with other sweet substances to attract the cockroaches and encourage them to feed on the bait. To use borax as cockroach bait, mix equal parts of borax and sugar or another sweet substance, such as honey or corn syrup. Place the mixture in areas where you have seen cockroaches, such as behind appliances, under sinks, or in corners of rooms. Reapply the bait every few days until you see no more cockroaches. While borax is safe for humans and pets, don't allow children and animals to ingest it. Besides, take care when handling borax powder to avoid inhaling it or getting it on your skin or eyes. 4. Baking soda. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is a common household item used for various purposes. One of its uses includes exterminating cockroaches. Baking soda neutralizes the acidic pH levels in the cockroach's digestive system, leading to its death. It can also bloat and expand the insects when they drink water afterward. To use baking soda as a natural bait for cockroaches, mix equal parts of baking soda and sugar or powdered sugar. Place the mixture in areas where you have seen cockroach activity or suspect they may be present. The sugar will attract the roaches, while the baking soda will kill them once ingested. Baking soda alone may not eliminate a cockroach infestation. Use it with other baits or pest control methods such as sanitation and sealing cracks and crevices around your home. 5. Citrus oil. Citrus oil is an effective natural bait to eliminate cockroaches. This essential oil is derived from the peels of citrus fruits such as oranges, lemons, limes, and grapefruits. It contains D-limonene, a compound with insecticidal properties that can kill and repel cockroaches. When using citrus oil as bait for cockroaches, mix 10 to 20 drops of the oil with water in a spray bottle and apply it to areas where roaches are likely to congregate, such as dark corners, underneath sinks, and around kitchen appliances. The scent of citrus oil will kill and repel cockroaches and prevent them from returning. In addition to being an effective natural bait for eliminating cockroaches, citrus oil has a pleasant aroma that can freshen up your home. It is also non-toxic and safe for use around children and pets, making it an ideal choice for those who want to avoid chemical pesticides. Citrus is a versatile essential oil that can eliminate unwanted pests while providing additional benefits for your home. 6. Kaffir lime oil. Kaffir lime oil is derived from the leaves and fruit of the kaffir lime tree, native to Southeast Asia. It has a strong citrus scent that repels cockroaches, making it an effective tool in pest control. You can use kaffir lime oil in various ways to eradicate cockroaches. You can spray it directly on surfaces cockroaches gather, such as countertops or kitchen cabinets. Alternatively, mix it with water and spritz it around areas where cockroaches may be hiding, such as behind appliances or under sinks. Overall, kaffir lime oil is a safe and natural alternative to chemical pesticides for eliminating cockroaches. 7. Oregano oil. Oregano oil is a popular natural remedy for various health issues, including coughs, colds, and digestive problems. However, it also has potent insecticidal properties, making it an effective bait for eliminating cockroaches. Oregano oil contains carvacrol and thymol, which are toxic to insects, but safe for humans and pets. To use oregano oil as cockroach bait, mix a few drops of the essential oil with sugar or honey to attract the pests. You can also add some boric acid to increase its potency. Place the mixture in areas where you have seen cockroaches or suspect their presence, such as cracks and crevices in walls, cabinets, and appliances. You can spray the oil on the insects or areas where they are prevalent. Oregano oil is an eco-friendly alternative to chemical pesticides that may harm your health or the environment. Use it regularly until you see a significant reduction in the cockroach population. 8. Rosemary oil. Rosemary oil is a popular essential oil used for centuries in traditional medicine. It is extracted from the leaves of the rosemary plant through steam distillation and contains several beneficial compounds such as camphor, cineol, and pinene. While rosemary oil is a famous flavoring agent in cooking, it also has several other benefits, such as repelling insects like cockroaches. It has a strong aroma that can kill and repel cockroaches, preventing them from returning to your home. To use rosemary oil as a natural bait, mix a few drops of the essential oil with water or another carrier liquid and spray it around areas where cockroaches are likely to hide, such as under sinks, behind appliances, or cracks and crevices. You can add some fresh rosemary leaves to this mixture for more effectiveness. The scent of rosemary will prevent roaches from coming into your home while keeping your environment fresh and aromatic. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on how to get rid of pests using tea tree oil. Thanks for watching and bye for now.